Hey, what's up guys, it's Vinny and you're watching My Next Best. I've got this MP3 player. This is the Model Q5. It's got no branding there, it's just got the Timmkoo digital music player made in China. That's what it is, really. Product size 4.2, 2.4, 0.5 inches. Screen size 4 inches. It's a fully touchscreen MP3 player. Battery capacity 1800 milliamp hour. That's a lot for a MP3 player. And input volts 5 volt 1 ampere, and charging time is 90 minutes. Internal memory is 8 gigabytes of ROM and 1 gigabyte of RAM. And it's manufactured in China as usual. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing of this unit that has arrived today, thanks to Timmkoo to send this preview unit. So in the box we've got the product itself. I've ordered the yellow model. That's what it is. This is what it is. That's the MP3 player. It's a full touch screen at the top, and underneath in the box you've got a Type-C USB charger, a premium headphones setup, and some sort of guidance how to use and things like that. A colored page in the front. We probably do not need this. We're just going to quickly turn this thing on. It's like a phone really. Volume buttons and the power button. Let's press this thing. There's nothing else really. And there's this turn on Type-C port, TF card, speaker, and microphone for a change, probably for recording. And you've got the 3.5mm headphone jack at the bottom. That's what it is. Quite responsive. Wow, it's a phone. It's a bloody phone. It's got charging settings, Bluetooth, airplane mode, brightness. It's got everything like a phone. And you're able to go to music. There's nothing there at the moment, but you'd get to the you'd get to the phone. Oh, well, sorry, the music player. And there's about 6 gigabytes of storage that's available. Oh, it's like it's an Android installation. Wow, this is a bit heavy, on the heavier side, and it's a phone. It's a bloody phone. That's what it is. Yeah. Timmkoo Q5 digital player, 5 volt 1 ampere, made in China, and all the certifications and things. I don't know if it's even certified, but it says it's certified, so I'm imagining it is. But yeah, that's what it is. Turn it on. You've got it's a Android. It's the Android operating system, of course. You've got 6 gigabytes of storage available. You can expand the storage up to 64 gigabytes. I think that's what I remember. And it's got a massive battery at the back, so you can charge this, and it will work for fairly long time. In terms of the display, I'm going to just quickly check how bright it is. This is how bright this thing can get. It's quite bright, at least in the dark, at least in the night time. And then you've got calculator. You could use that. And what else do we have? Settings, clock, ebook reader. I don't know, some of the things that you don't want, you can just literally uninstall. But mind you, if you uninstall things, you will not be able to uninstall them again. That's what the company says. It's got the gallery, it's got browser, FM radio, file manager, and things like that, which is quite interesting. plug in your earphones and the FM radio is going to work. That's what it says. Music, videos, what else? File transfer. What else do we have? Browser, clock, and calendar. So that's pretty much it. This is the Timmkoo MP3 player. I'm looking for a player for jogging purposes, and this is one of those contenders of the MP3 player that I'm looking for. This looks pretty good, but I'm not sure what Android version this is. I'll have to check. Probably about device. So they've hidden this information. It's just the model number that's available, kernel, build. You can't go to dev settings or dev mods to find out what that is. Generally, the display is fairly responsive. It's not as good as what you'd want, but it's fairly responsive. And you can also change the wallpapers and settings and things like that. But yeah, that's what it is really. That's the Timmkoo Q5 digital player. I can guarantee that the display is fairly responsive to touch. So if you have not had any issues with the touch, this works fine. It's got a lamination on the top, so we've got the screen protection on the top that's already installed, just so you know. That's the Timmkoo Q5 MP3 player. If you have any questions or queries, do let me know. Do post in the comment section below. I'll get back to those as soon as I possibly can. Share this video and subscribe to my next best. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next best. Take care. Cheers. Bye.